this is needlepointers.com. For this tutorial, I would like to show you how to avoid laddering or gaps between needles when knitting with double-pointed needles. Laddering is the stretched stitches that happen between double-pointed needles. It is when you see the horizontal bars similar to this example. There are a few techniques that can be used to prevent this from happening. This tutorial will show you one way to prevent laddering. I am currently working on a pair of socks using double-pointed needles. As you can see, I have no gaps or laddering between the two needles. Now what I do is when I am moving from one needle to the next, I place the needle holding the stitches that will be knitted on the top or above the previous needle. To knit the first stitch onto the new needle, I place the needle under the previous needle. I then knit the first stitch and I pull the stitch snugly. This will make the two stitches close together and prevent laddering. Now I will knit to the other side and I'll do it again for you so you can see again what I do. Okay, I just finished the row. Place the needle that is holding the stitches that you're going to be knitting on the top or above the previous needle. Go under, not over like this, but you're going to go under the previous needle, knit your first stitch, and snugly pull it tight. Then continue knitting. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and comment. Keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Google+. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description below. Our website, needlepointers.com, is a great resource for knitting tutorials and free projects.